What's that? Huh? What is this? Dinosaur? Dinosaur car? This one? What is this? Bicycle? You want to open now? Huh?
Jesus.
Oh, go get the scissors. Zaid is back! And he has something. What is that, Zaid?
Bicycle and dinosaur.
Now, Zido and Mama will open the toys. Which one you want to open first?
That one dinosaur.
The dinosaur? Oh, go there, go there. Why are you hiding? You're so excited. Go. Move. Wait, not yet. We have to remove the other tape. Oh, one more. Go there lagi.
I want it.
Hurry up. Careful. Slowly, Zaid. Maybe there's some sharp object here. Careful. Oh, dinosaur. It has remote. Oh, we need a screwdriver. What is this? Why it's different? We'll open. Maybe there's I think there is also a battery. Wait, careful again.
This one.
Make sure the battery is not out, huh? Mama will open also the bike. Go there, lagi. Go down. There. Go there. Go down. Wait, the video is here. Oh, wait. Slowly, careful. It's sharp, Zido. You're so rushed. What is this? Slowly, go. You break it. Foldable bike. Wait. Show to them your. Okay, return. Okay, Nice. Put it down. It's not like that. Wait. Fix the bike. Nice. That's the other one.
Zed, this kind of stunt. See?
Wow,
nice.
what is?
Maybe like that. You can fold the bike now.
What is?
Like that. It will stand.
Other side.
Outside.
Uh-oh.
Yes, dinosaur.
I will open. Wait, move your hand, Zaid. Dangerous, baby. What's this? Wait, look. Wait, Zido, not yet. Zido, wait, it's not done. Oh, one more screw. Oh gosh, it's hard. Wait. Gosh, Zido, do not pull, Zido. It's not good. It's loose. Zaid, it's dangerous, baby. Where is it, Zaid? You want to return? You want to do it by yourself? Oh, let me see, baby. Oh, wow, dinosaur car.
There you go.
Look at you. This one. شوف ورا.
Put it down. What are you doing? You're throwing the boxes? Throw it outside. Okay, very good. Other one, oh. Bravo. Thank you, Zaid.